everybody, Strip Till Guy here, as I've been affectionately called, and I have another video out there on the Pluribus unit, which is what we have right here. And we're doing some strip tilling. Pluribus does not have a knife, and it makes about a 4 to 6 inch wide black strip, and we're putting fertilizer on with our Montag fertilizer cart and our extra wide hoses, so we can really put on the fertilizer. I'm currently going about 6.5 miles an hour, and today I'm going to mostly talk about our ag leader system and what we have over here. And you can see that's how fast I'm going. So we're currently using auto steer. We have that on one screen, our coverage map, and then over here you can see this is a prescription map. So we run the CSP program, and grid sampling was done on this farm, and then a prescription was made according to university recommendations. So as we're going through the field here, the Incommand is what we have. Will automatically apply the fertilizer. Right down there you can see the rate per acre. And if you go to this screen, you can see how fast our chain is turning back there. Our drive on our Montag cart shows you the RPM. So right now we're not applying fertilizer because the prescription calls for no fertilizer currently in this field, in this spot. So right here, this is where you load your auto steer, and you can have that closed if you want. If you want to load a prescription, you load your prescription right here on this button right here, and this will be your target rate, will be the top one, and the bottom one will be what you're actually putting on for rate. So sorry for the bumpiness of the video. And this screen right here, this is our productivity. What's our average pounds per acre that we're putting on, how many pounds we're putting on, what we're putting on, and as the nutrients. And right now this field is just getting DAP only because that's the university recommendation. It also tells you the productivity and how productive you are, and stuff like that. So here's your auto steer button right here. So when you want to get your auto steer, you turn that off or on. This right here, this is your master switch. This turns the fertilizer on and off using the direct command system with ag leader. It's not an ag leader commercial, it's just what we have for our technology. This USB drive right here, this is what you load the prescription on. Your satellite signal is up here. So when we're getting to the end here, we're going to turn around this wetland, and then we will engage the auto steer once again. We have an 8225R John Deere tractor. It just barely has enough horsepower to pull this strip till machine. Like I said, this doesn't have a shank on it, but if we did, we'd have to have a lot more horsepower. We also have the iTech system on this tractor, which is really nice. We start getting to the end, all we do is just push this button, and everything lifts up. Again, sorry for the shakiness. I need two hands to turn around here. So we're turning, you can't turn too sharp. Once you start getting lined up, you come over here and you press the auto steer button, and you see it lines it right up. Push this down, flip this back on, and now we're going again. So rain's coming, and trying to get this 80 done today, which I think we will, as long as everything goes swimmingly. If you have any questions, oh yeah, one more thing, here's our scale. The scale is just fantastic to have. That's how many pounds we have in our cart back there. and we can compare that to how many pounds is on our monitor and how many pounds that we've applied, so we can calibrate if we need to. So make small calibration adjustments, and how you make those small calibration adjustments is here in the settings, and you change the conveyor rate. So right now it's 0.038. So that's how you make the calibration adjustments, by changing that number up or down. What you do is you want to have what you're using, what's actually coming out of the machine. You want that to match what is on the monitor, or you can also use your sheet right here. That see, there's my notes and stuff like that. Because you know how many pounds per acre you're supposed to be putting on and such. And Dawn strip till machine is Dawn Pluribus is doing a good job in this field. Everything's been going well the last couple days, and we're just cruising along here. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask.